Our sisters, Sandile Tabula and Jacinta Mangobese, I've noticed one thing about them. They are not there to fight other politicians, no. Even though they disagree with other politicians, they push their narrative that South Africa is for South Africans. This is South Africa, and foreigners, they forget that this is South Africa. This is not Africa. We are not united with Africa here. And those ladies, those are my sisters. They will never ever mention any politician who disagrees with them by name. They will never. They will use cryptic ways like people with the red berets, because all their focus is to free South Africans. Their strategy is not to have their message diluted, as if now they are fighting our South African politicians like Julius Malema. No, they won't, because they push what they push and aim for results for what they push. So their hearts are in the hearts of South Africans. They are not in the hearts of politicians. That I'm so proud of those sisters. They are my sisters. I'm so proud of them. Young as they are. We, especially me, but other South Africans, other normal South Africans like myself, we call Julius Malema by name, that Julius Malema, you stop bringing foreigners in this country. We are tired of your foreigners. Julius Malema, we are tired of your Nigerians. We call Julius Malema by name, that Julius Malema, we are tired of you and the foreigners. This is our country. We deserve a right to jobs. Don't tell us that the grapes in the Cape Winelands will rot if foreigners are prevented to come into this country. Don't tell us that. Who was harvesting those grapes in the Cape Winelands before the foreigners came? Who was harvesting those grapes? Who? Malema sometimes, he does not, I just hope he realized that you are telling us now. You are telling us. No. Usikhala kakubi ngoku Julius Malema. Usikhala kakubi. Awusiboneli intweni. People, we have been quiet for so long. Now Malema must be told, yes, we are going to vote for Julius Malema, and that's the priority. We must make sure it happens. We must never let Malema rule this country. EFF and Malema, they must never, unless we want chaos. But sometimes we need to tell him straight to his face that no, you think this country is the country of Africa where unity must happen. We don't care about Africa unity. We know that by now it's a big joke. We don't care. We want our country back. So those sisters, they do wholeheartedly for their brothers and sisters, South Africans. I'm proud of them. May the good Lord give them strength, and we will forever be behind them with our prayers, so that they may succeed in what they want for this country. The presence of these foreigners in this country. What do I benefit from? Libyans, all they are here. What do I gain as a South African? Brotherhood. I gain brotherhood. I'm gonna use that brotherhood for what purpose? These Nigerians are here for. To suck this country dry. These people are here for the South African citizenship. I so wish other nations, let me say other nations among us South Africans could join us, but I understand that they are afraid of backlash from us black people. They are afraid. That's why they took a back seat. No problem. I understand that they are. Either way, I see no benefit for the presence of Nigerians in this country. Benefit for the presence of Zimbabweans in this country. There's no benefit for the presence of Somalians, Beninans, Malawans, Botswaninians. The list is endless. There's no benefit. Brotherhood. Those people will never be our brothers. Nigerians will never, ever be our brothers. What I can see is we are losing our country. The only thing that I see by their presence here is hunger among us blacks. It is them that have rights in this country now. The only right that they don't have is to vote. But to achieve that, they will capture Home Affairs. I've never seen a leader despise his people like Malema. He acts as if he fights for us blacks, but he fights for himself. He advocates for Nigerians more than Nigerians advocate for themselves. No, the love Malema has for foreigners is unimaginable, because they are the only ones who feel our pain as South Africans, who feel the pain of the poor.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. This is uSoso laphana ku-TikTok. Ukhuluma ngaJacinta Ungobese kanye naZandile Dabula. Uthi lokuloko into angizandile and uJacinta kumqoka ngendlela lesimanga, and we should really appreciate them. Siphinde futhi sibabeke ngisho nasemkhulekweni. Ayiqha lapho ke na uSoso said a mouthful. I really agree with him ngalokula khulumako. We really need to pray for these ladies. Nkosi yami ukhulumela ngendzaba yaMalema uthi njena uMalema kede indzaba yakhe. This thing of Malema protecting foreigners ishid nje leyo. Honestly speaking, masingayikhuluma nje vele idude lento lenziwa nguMalema, because chaza kuthini Malema makathi bantu base Mozambique, Nigeria, Ghana, Malawi, they are our African brothers and sisters. Akufanele sibaqoshe, as he's saying ukuthi kufanele silandze yonke imfuqudo lehlala emaveni angaphandle siyilethe la South Africa, because South Africa ngiko la kufanele quarantine khona abantu labangafuni ukuhlala emaveni abo. Nathi South Africa asikho perfect, siyazama sitilungisele nabo. They should do that thing ukuthi batilungisele emaveni abo. But bayakhona ku-strike lana eSouth Africa, bayakhona kutoya ba yenteni tonke letinto abatenda kula South Africa. But when it comes to fighting for their own countries, they don't sana. But la South Africa ave bane backbone, ave bakhona ukukhuluma. So indzaba lekhulunywe nguSoso, indzaba libaluleke ngendlela lesimanga. Ucomment down below in the comment section ukuthi ngicabanga ngalolu qedwa ukukhulunywa nguSoso. Mina nawe siyobonana kulenye inshallah video. I'm signing out. So goodbye.